Authorities reported that an Alto tourist vehicle was severely damaged when boulders fell on it along the Daiñshyieng stretch near Pomlum on the night of October 2nd, 2025. The incident occurred despite a ban imposed by the Pynursla Civil Sub-Division on vehicular movement throughout the Laitlyngkot Pynursla stretch, following fresh signs of soil loosening due to heavy rains. According to the police, the occupants of the vehicle managed to escape unharmed but abandoned the car, which was left badly crushed. Officials added that the owners did not inform the authorities about the incident. It was further alleged that those traveling in the car had removed the barricades placed by the road construction company to prevent vehicles from entering the danger zone. Video recordings taken along the road that evening showed soil movement and cracks reappearing on the hillside, raising the risk of another major landslide. Only a week earlier, a massive slide in the same area had left the road blocked for 3 consecutive days, causing significant disruption. The SDO's office stated that the traffic ban was necessary as a precautionary measure and would remain in force until the situation was declared safe.